stopping by my channel, and a big shout out to all my new subscribers. For those of you that are new and are not familiar with my channel, it's a baking channel where I make both sweet and savory dishes. Sometimes I have guests on with me, sometimes I'll have my grandsons on with me, and I couldn't do this without my right-hand man, my husband, who my subscribers know better as the cameraman. Cameraman, you want to say anything to my followers?
Gracias. Welcome, subscribers. Sorry, I think I just blew that.
Oh, Lordy.
Sorry.
Start over, cameraman.
Welcome to the subscribers, to the Diva, the Baking Diva, and welcome to North Jersey, which has no snow today, which is highly unusual.
So now you know why he's behind the camera. He has trouble speaking. You're right, the snow has finally melted, but it's cold. Spring just refuses to come to us. So I decided to have flowers and wear a spring top, and if spring isn't coming to me, I'm bringing spring to you. So, to get some housekeeping out of the way, if you haven't already subscribed to my channel, go down below. You'll see the red word that says subscribe. Just hit it. It'll turn gray and you're a subscriber, and there's a little bell next to it. Press the bell and you'll get a notification from YouTube every time I have a new video up. That's it. That's all there is to it. Doesn't cost anything, and we'll have a lot of fun together. So, is there anything else I wanted to say? Any other news? My birthday was last week, and with the gift cards I got for my birthday, I went out and bought myself an Instapot. So as soon as I could figure out how to make anything in it, I might bring some recipes to you. So anyway, are you ready, cameraman?
I'm ready.
Let's get started. Today I'm going to make for you a baked BLT dip. Now, who doesn't like bacon? Who doesn't like bacon, lettuce, and tomato sandwiches? Now, this dip is the BLT dip minus the L. There's no lettuce in this. But anyway, we're going to start making it. You're going to see how easy it is. And when I take it out of the oven, good. So let's get started. First of all, I need a bowl. And in this bowl, I am going to put 1 cup of mayonnaise. I use whole mayonnaise. Hellmann's is my favorite, but you can use whatever your little heart desires. So that's 1 cup of mayo. Now we're going to put in there 1 cup of sour cream. I've already pre-measured all of this for the sake of time. I'm a people person and I love to chat, but I know how hard it is for you to watch a lot of videos when some of them are too long. So trying to shorten them if I can. All right, so we have the mayo and the sour cream and 1 8-ounce block of cream cheese, softened. All right, now we're going to take those 3 and you take your spoon or your spatula and you mix them all together. So you want to get them combined thoroughly. Easy so far, right? Right, cameraman?
Oh, certainly.
Okay, here we go. Cream cheese is nice and soft, but I want to get it all blended in with the mayo and the sour cream. I need more mussels. So I hope you're all having a nice day. I'm very jealous of those in states where it's nice and warm. I would love to be on the beach right now, on the sand. I love summer. I love the beach. The beach is my happy place, but I won't get there till this summer. Alrighty, I think this is all mixed pretty good. Now, what we're going to do after we get those 3 things mixed is what I did is I cooked a 1-pound package of bacon. I cooked it on a cookie sheet with foil on it and a cooling rack, and I baked it in my oven. I put it on 375. It was in there for probably 20 or 25 minutes because you want it to get well done. No floppy bacon. You want it to be nice and firm because you have to crumble it. So after you get all of this mixed, what you're gonna do is you're gonna add your crumbled bacon to this. Now I reserved a little bit of the bacon for garnish on the top when this comes out of the oven. Okay. Cream cheese takes a little bit longer to mix in. Okay. So here I have my crumbled bacon. This is about how much I reserved to keep on the top. So maybe it was a couple of pieces that I broke up. So I'm going to add my, I guess you could say crispy bacon right to that mix. And I'm going to stir it in. Are you kidding me? Who doesn't love the smell of bacon? The cameraman was trying to sneak a few. I know he was drooling. He took a little piece, right, cameraman?
No.
But I'm the warden. The warden was there saying, don't touch it. It's for the recipe. All right. So we have that all mixed in. Now I'm going to add my shredded cheddar cheese. This is 1.5 cups of shredded cheddar cheese. So I'm going to put that in. Stir it a little bit. And to that, I'm going to add 1 chopped up tomato that I took the seeds out of. And I also reserved a little bit of the tomato to garnish the top of this. So actually, I cut up 1 kind of medium-sized tomato for the dip, and then I cut a little bit off a smaller one to use for the garnish. So this is all mixed up. All right, so now I'm going to add 1/4 cup of green onion chopped, which you all know that's scallions. So I'm going to put that in. I reserved a little bit of that for the top also. So I have the crumbled bacon, I have the cheddar cheese, and now lastly, I'm going to mix in my 1 cup of seeded chopped tomatoes. It's not the time of the year for the great Jersey tomatoes right now, but I found these vine ripened ones in the food store and they looked pretty good. So what you're mixing is all these ingredients together. You got the bacon, the scallions, the tomatoes, the cheese, sour cream, mayonnaise, and onions. Now what's not to like? All right, so I have all this mixed together. Now I'm going to take, you can take a baking dish, you can take a pie plate. I'm going to put this just in a Pyrex pie plate. So let me move this over while I spoon it into the pie plate. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to put the mixture in my 350 degree oven, and I'm going to bake it for about 20 minutes until it's bubbly. So I'm going to spoon this in. I've already preheated my oven. And when I take it out, I'm going to then show you what we do next. I'll be right back. This dip, we just took it out of the oven. The smell is heavenly. It looks so good. And what you could serve this with is corn chips, or you can do bagel chips. I have those little corn chips that are called scoops. I put those around it. Now I'm going to garnish it right now. I'm going to put a little of my bacon that I reserved on the top. I'm going to just sprinkle it around. This looks so good. I will insert a still in the video so you can get a better look at this piece of heaven here. You ready to dig in, cameraman?
Surely.
This is so good. Oh my God, I'm a big dip person. When I have people over, I love to make dips. They're great appetizers. People seem to love them, and they're not hard to make. So I put my bacon. I'm going to put a little bit of my scallions up there that I chopped up. Looks so good. I don't need all of these. I reserved a little bit too much. I'll just put on what you want. Good. And then I'm going to put a little of the tomato on that I reserved. So good. So just remember, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, go down there and hit subscribe. If you have anyone that you know that likes to make dips, share it with them. Share the video with them. And if you like this video and you like what you thought, give me a thumbs up. And make a comment. I love to read your comments, and I always try to answer you back whenever I can. This looks unbelievable. Boy, the more I'm decorating, I'm saying to myself, this would be perfect for Christmas with all the colors. So I am going to take a taste of it now. It's red hot. It just came out of the oven. And the cameraman, you don't want any, do you, cameraman?
No,
Oh,
just
yeah, right,
maybe
sure.
10 of them.
All right, let me try this. Oh, it's going to be hot, but I got to dig into this. Look at this. Oh, my goodness. I have to say, I made a lot of dips. I think this is my favorite. I'm going on record to say I think this is my favorite dip. So make it. Come back to me after you've made it and let me know what everyone thought. So here, cameraman, come over and get a. I'll get you some, hon, here. So, all right, everyone. Thank you so much for watching. Also, for those of you that have inquired about how my knee is doing, it's progressing. I'm able to drive now, and I have a lot of movement in it. I'm still doing PT 3 times a week, but thank goodness I'm doing well. So thank you for all your well wishes. Thank you for watching my video. Come on back, and I'll see you real soon. Toodles!